2025 Lamborghini Huracan successor gets revealed in fantasy land with twin-turbo V8 PHEV. If you did, we have prepared an extensive peek into their story. If not, and you are more interested in knowing what is coming for the entry-level supercar series, keep on reading here for a hypothetical apparition. The good folks over at Kalisa, along with their resident pixel master Nikita Chwiko, aka Kelsonik on social media, have imagined the next entry-level Lambo. Because everyone and their mother knows that Huracan's time on Earth is coming to an end, no one is surprised the Italian automaker from Sant'Agata Bolognese is preparing a new generation of its most affordable nameplate. It will replace the Huracan and most likely will bear a different name. No one knows it yet, as that's a secret well guarded, unlike its potential design cues and powertrain details. Replacing the Gallardo model a decade ago, the Lamborghini Huracan emerged sporting the traditional wedge shape and a V10 in a longitudinal mid-engine position with RWD or all-wheel drive. It has a long-lasting history based on its predecessors like the Gallardo or Jalpa Plus silhouette. While the latter two got Lambo V8s as their power sources, the Gallardo and Huracan series are driven by the desire to make V10s the heart and soul of the sports car segment. Well, they didn't manage to make the V10 a domineering force in the sector, but they're also boasting a massive cult following. As such, replacing the Huracan is a tall order for Lamborghini, especially if the rumors about the successor getting a V8 under the hood are true. As you can see, there's a logic behind going back to a V8 powertrain, thanks to the lineage. But that's not all, because Lambo will again embrace the power of hybridization to make the Huracan successor a lot more powerful and in tune with the new Rivuelto V12 PHEV flagship. As for the design, no one knows for sure what it will look like, but the rumor mill and the imaginative realm of digital car content creators indeed love to speculate on the subject. Kalisa and Chwiko are just the latest ones to attempt to shed some CGI light on the matter in a long chain of unofficial designs.